In this video, we'll show you how to fix the issue where an uninstalled application still appears in Win32 product. As you can see, Adobe Photoshop still shows up in Win32 product even though it has been uninstalled and is no longer listed in the app list. You might try removing the application using the MSI product code, but if that doesn't work, here's how to fix it. First, search for the program install and uninstall Troubleshooter on Google. Look for the link from the official Microsoft website and click on it. From the site, download the Troubleshooter. Once downloaded, open the file and follow the on-screen wizard. When prompted, select the Uninstalling option. From the list of programs, choose the app you want to remove. In this case, I'll select Adobe Photoshop. Next, choose the Try to Uninstall option. Wait for a few minutes while the troubleshooter removes the program automatically. As you can see, the application has been successfully removed. By following these steps, you can resolve this issue and ensure the uninstalled application is no longer displayed in Win32 product. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.